In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo actions in Monday.com. Monday.com is a versatile work operating system designed to help teams manage and execute their work effectively. Now, what happens if you make a mistake or accidentally delete an item? Don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate the process of undoing an action in Monday.com with ease and efficiency. First, you'll need to navigate to Monday.com. Once there, head over to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the option to log in. You can choose to sign in using your Google account or manually enter the email address you plan to use. If you're opting for the Google sign-in, simply select the email address you'd like to log in with when prompted. Now that you're logged in, let's walk through an example together. Imagine you've selected an item on one of your boards, and for some reason you've decided you want to delete it. To proceed, first, find the item you wish to delete. You'll see a checkbox next to it. Go ahead and tick that box. Once selected, look towards the lower part of your screen where you will spot the delete option. With a simple click, you've marked this item for deletion. Before finalizing the deletion, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. It's important to read these pop-ups carefully to ensure that you're deleting the correct item. In the pop-up, click the delete button once more to proceed. After the item is deleted, you'll notice a green pop-up message confirming this action. Keep an eye out for this notification as it contains an important feature, a handy undo button located right next to the message. Click the undo button to restore the deleted item seamlessly. This great feature of Monday.com allows you to quickly backtrack any deletion errors and helps minimize the potential disruptions to your workflow. And there you have it. The item you deleted is now restored right back to where it belongs. This functionality ensures you can work confidently, knowing that an accidental deletion isn't the end of the world. Being able to efficiently manage errors on software like Monday.com is key to streamlining your workflow and maintaining productivity. If you're new to Monday.com, these steps provide a vital understanding of how to swiftly recover from mistakes and keep your projects on track. I hope this tutorial has helped clarify how to use the undo feature effectively. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching and happy working on Monday.com.